Stephen Valley Machine. It's the first video I've actually done. I know I've done quite a few bikes that I've built, cams and stuff like that over the years, but I thought I might doing a bit of garage time sort of stuff, just sort of going through bits and bobs. It's absolute ball ache for everybody when they're working on bikes. One of the things that has always been quite challenging is if you're trying to ever do any of the touring models, particularly 49mm, focus on the big tourers, put for example progressive suspension springs in or progressively wound springs of any other brand, is actually getting the top nut on without trying to get 25 stone on the top of it and two people trying to feed the fork cap in. Anyway, I've made very simple, easy method of actually getting these things on without trying to break your wrists or all that. So anyway, I'll show you what I've done. I'll try and give you a close-up. So, hold on a minute. So I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to spin a camera on, but it won't let me do it. So what I've done, if you have a look. So I've got this 2018 Road Glide fork, 2-inch over as well. But I've cut the preload pipe because I wanted to get a maximum preload. But so anyway, what I've done, I had a bit of plate, and I've just put a socket in the top there with a 19mm 3/8 drive socket to go in the cap. 2 ratchet straps either side, so you can see down, and all I've done, I've got the other end of it clipped under the vise. Hope you can see that. I know the video's a bit crap because I can't speak camera, but I'll show you the other side, see what you think. Where are we? There we are. So there's the top. So the whole assembly from the front end's like this. Just 2 sort of 1.5-inch ratchet straps, and then just hold it at the top here. Put your ratchet in at the top, like so. We get bugger in, there we are. And then just when you just do 1 click at a time on the ratchet, just 1 at a time. See that, there we are. So you just do 1 at a time either side, bring it down square. Then you can push your fork up to the nut then, and you can screw the fork in. So I'll show you when I've done it and see what you think. But yeah, be right back.